There are certain requirements in a laptop for most people who are considering buying a brand new one. Madali ba itong dalhin? Maganda ba yung display? Kaya ko bang mag-edit yan? Okay kaya yung battery? Malinaw ba yung webcam? Madami ba siyang ports? Kamusta yung Wi-Fi niya? We get you! So let's talk about those as we feature this new Windows-powered laptop, the HUAWEI MateBook D16. Kaka-release lang neto sa Pinas, and for a quick review, it packs a 16.1-inch FHD display, a 12th Gen Intel Core CPU, a 1080p webcam, a dedicated numpad, and the first and very promising HUAWEI Metaline Antenna designed to further boost the laptop's Wi-Fi signal reception, which could work great even in areas with a weak signal. To those who do not know, a lot of the older similarly priced laptops often have smaller and the usual 16:9 aspect ratio screens, weaker chips, a 720p webcam only, and not that good Wi-Fi signal reception. At this price point, this MateBook D16 could be the proper work or creator laptop for anyone. So, simulan na natin. This is Peter of GIZGUIDEPH.com, and if you are into gadget reviews and tech updates, do subscribe to our channel for more. To start, the first thing that we really like about this laptop is its use of the Wi-Fi 2x2 MIMO that's enhanced by its Metaline Antenna for stronger and faster signal reception. Sabi ni HUAWEI, yung Metaline Antenna na ito ensures a stable network in a complex network environments and could improve signal conversion efficiency by 56% and a weak signal download rate by 56% as well. Even if your distance from the router or mesh is a bit far or there are multiple walls, you can still get decent signals. So reliable talaga siya lalo sa mga bahay na merong older routers na merong weaker signal. It is also notable na first in the world on a laptop pala ito with that technology. We tried it and compared it with our other laptops and malakas nga siya sumagap ng signal. We find it great for streaming HD videos, casual gaming, and of course, Zoom calls. Advantageous din ito when you need to download a lot of large files. It really helped us enjoy some games that require strong and stable Wi-Fi. We noticed that it has less lag din. Na-enjoy din namin siya when it comes to watching live streams of Mobile Legends kasi nga less lag talaga dahil stronger yung signal. We tried moving around our place and even sa kitchen namin with thick walls where usually nahihirapan yung mga mesh system namin, halos full bar pa siya. There is also one time when we are having coffee outside and we noticed that its Wi-Fi reception is even stronger than the Wi-Fi on my other device connected to the same network. Na-impress kami. For us, this is a very important feature to ensure that you get a boosted Wi-Fi signal for stable and faster connections most of the time. Aside from the Metaline Antenna, the MateBook D16 also has a lot of other impressive things to offer. Just like other MateBooks, the MateBook D16 is made out of aluminum which looks classy and is not easily attracted to dirt and smudges. If you do get so, madali naman siyang punasan. Within HUAWEI's MateBook D series, this D16 so far is the largest size you can get aside from the higher-end MateBook 16S. From the name itself, we get a massive 16-inch 60Hz 1080p full-view display with 4.9mm slim bezels that give it a 90% screen-to-body ratio. Meron din itong 100% sRGB color gamut, HDR support, and a max brightness of up to 300 nits. The colors on screen are dynamic and bright. It is color accurate so pwede even sa mga nag-edit ng photos or videos na gusto ng natural na kulay. And when using it outdoors even under sunlight isn't a problem. Viewable pa din yung screen and wala masyadong glare effect since it has a matte-like anti-glare finish. Okay to pang multitasking even if you prefer to work at coffee shops. Besides all of that, what we appreciate is its low blue light, flicker-free features para di masakit sa mata pag buong araw kang nasa laptop. At dahil dyan, we think na okay din siyang pan-Netflix if you want to chill after work. This display is surprisingly slim for a large 16-inch panel. Of course, there is heft in the overall weight of the D16, but that's reasonable enough at 1.74 kilograms. This is honestly lightweight for a 16-inch laptop. The other highlight of this laptop for us is it has a full-size backlit keyboard with a dedicated numeric keypad. Even my personal mamahaling laptop na 16-inch screen din, walang numkeys. There are also some additional keyboard shortcuts here such as the calculator key, an AI search key, a minimize or return to the home button, and our favorite for Zoom calls, the camera on and off key. I'm not really sure if this really deactivates the camera when you're not using any apps for it, but there's a light indicator beside the camera for whenever it's activated. Above these physical shortcut keys is the power button that doubles as the fingerprint sensor. It works quickly and accurately. You can also use facial recognition to unlock the device. As you can see, we also get a sizable touchpad and the Huawei share tag. We also like to note that the 65 watts charger that comes with it is now even smaller than its predecessor, making it easier to bring. For the ports, there are two USB-C hubs on the left, together with an HDMI output and a 3.5mm headphone port. Meanwhile, you can find two USB ports on the right side. You can also expect 4 microphones on the front and 2 down-firing speakers beneath the chassis. The sound quality on this notebook is pretty clear and decent. It's something you would expect from other laptops in its size. It is good enough for listening to music or video streaming while working. Of course, may 3.5mm jack slot din siya na great if meron kang magandang wired headphones or earphones. Speaking of working, if you do a lot of video calls or Zoom meetings, then I highly recommend this MateBook D16 for that. This small lens is actually a 1080p 88-degree wide-angle AI camera, which is great for a laptop at this price point. Big deal to kasi even yung ibang mga mamahaling laptop today, 720p lang yung webcam. It is very clear, especially if you have a well-lit setup. Customizable din siya, so pwede mong i-adjust yung quality ng videos mo at pwede mo ding taasan o babaan yung brightness habang nagre-record siya. Solid pang video calls. As for performance, the Huawei MateBook D16 is ready with a 12th Gen Intel Core processor, including the Core i7-12700H. Additionally, it is running with the Intel Iris Xe graphics and a dual-channel RAM, so it can be reliable enough for heavy multitasking, data analysis, online meetings, basic editing, and entertainment. We ran it through some benchmark tests, and here are the results we got. As you can see, the benchmark scores we got are strong. It is an upgrade versus the MateBook 14S that we enjoyed really much. That says a lot considering that this is a more affordable D-series laptop. Speed-wise, this is as good or better than a lot of the work laptops available at this price point. Most in the under 75k range na nakita namin na slim work or creator laptops are still using the 11th Gen Intel i7 chip. Ito 12th Gen na. Also, the more your RAM is, the better the laptop will perform in multitasking. Aside from its GPU, this helps din for photo and video editing, hindi masyadong mag-struggle yung laptop mo when rendering. Bakit namin sinabi yon? This laptop has 16 gigs of RAM, even yung lowest variant niya, and that's large. Moreover, it has 512 gigs of PCIe SSD storage. Of course, this is faster for file transfers, opening apps, boot time, and many more versus traditional HDDs. While this is not branded as a gaming laptop, kaya din niya to play some games at low or medium settings. We're able to play Genshin Impact and Counter-Strike with occasional lag. This is actually quite good for a business or creator laptop. Huawei has also added the gaming-grade shark fin dual fans. While there is little heating when on sleep, we think that this works as the laptop doesn't get very hot. We suggest using the laptop on a non-cloth surface to help its thermals better. Its 60Wh battery is also a huge step coming from the 42Wh of the older MateBook D series laptops. On continuous use, this lasted us 5 to 6 hours, which isn't really the best we've experienced, but its fast charging capabilities somehow compensate. It is running on Windows 11 Home OS, so it's familiar, easy to navigate, and packs a number of customization options. As you would expect from Windows 11, it looks polished and has a nice window layout. It has a few MacBook-like features, especially on the touchpad controls, so it should be easier to transition kung dati kang Mac user. There is also a game mode that you can turn on in the game settings to keep the laptop optimized whenever you are playing. It is not really a performance boost per se, but it will automatically turn off other apps that are running in the background, and that still helps. By the way, you can also play mobile games or other selected mobile apps without any desktop mode on the MateBook D16 by using the Huawei mobile app engine. Add to that the perks of Huawei Super Device System, wherein you can easily connect your Huawei smartphone and tablet for a seamless experience. You just have to make sure that the PC Manager is all running on the latest version 12. Similar to Huawei's other laptops, In the PC Manager, you get to access, share, and control everything on your phone and vice versa. Very convenient to para sa akin. At kung meron ka namang Huawei tablet tulad netong MatePad 10.4, pwede mong gamitin yung multi-screen collaboration feature that works in 3 ways possible. There's the mirror mode, which as the name suggests, is a copy of your laptop screen to your tablet. This allows you to sketch using the M Pen on your tablet, much like a digital art pad. Or sometimes what we do is play mobile games on the laptop and control via the tablet. Then the next one is the extend mode, which allows you to use the tablet as a second screen for your laptop. As for the third mode, we have collaboration mode, which allows you to transfer files between 2 devices with a simple swipe gesture. With these, you can really maximize your gadgets for work or study. Anyways, share ko lang na inconvenient pala talaga pag malaki yung laptop screen mo. It is easy for content creation, lalo sa mga tulad ko na mahilig magsabay-sabay ng ginagawa. So ayun na nga, if you're looking for a large yet lightweight enough laptop which can handle your work, study, or entertainment needs, then do highly consider this HUAWEI MateBook D16. It could be a great on-the-go laptop for multitaskers, creators, students, businessmen, and more as well. The design is neat, the overall performance is strong, the webcam is clear, and it even has a full-size keyboard. Solid din talaga yung its use of Metaline antennas dahil napalakas niya yung signal reception para tuloy-tuloy ang productivity. As for the price, the one we have on hand packs a 12th Gen Intel Core i7 processor is officially available for 70,999 pesos. Meanwhile, the one that carries a 12th Gen Intel Core i5 processor has an SRP of 55,999 pesos. At kung may extra budget ka naman and you prefer a higher resolution laptop on the same size, Huawei also recently launched the HUAWEI MateBook 16S. This is the world's first laptop with an Intel Evo and Intel Core i9 12th Gen processor. The i7 version is available in the Philippines for 89,999 pesos. Pero pag di mo naman talaga kailangan, personally okay na ako dito sa D16. Especially since it has a unique Metaline antenna for stronger data signal. And there you have it! What do you guys think of this HUAWEI MateBook D16? Let us know in the comments. And as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and features. Again, this is Peter of GIZGUIDEPH.com and thank you so much for watching. Stay safe always and goodbye.